Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us on this live webinar. Today's topic, does child custody matters need to be a fight? And if you can see on my right-hand side, there's a lady hitting a guy. I'm not trying to be gender unequal, in the sense of why is a female hitting the man. I did for a picture online and that's the one we could find. Nonetheless, it's proverbial, fight, not necessarily physical. Does child custody matters need to be a fight, in the sense of, must it be a battle? Must it be an argument? Must you get lawyers on board? Must you, put up guards and prepare yourself to take the other party on, or to teach the other party a lesson? Must there be acrimony? That's where I'm going to. Or can the matter be amicable, friendly, settled easily? Is that possible? Or does it need to be a fight from the word go? For argument's sake, if the mother says, Father, is it fine if you do not have contact on a Sunday evening so that the minor child can come home early in order for me to prepare him for school the next day? The father says, how can you tell me that? I'm the father. I can decide when I want to bring the child back. There's this continuous acrimony, argumentation all the time. So that's the topic. Does child custody matters need to be a fight? Or can it be amicable? Can it be friendly? My advice to you is, if you want to get good results out of your child custody matter, it should not be a fight. That's where I'm going to. Once parties are no longer civil with each other, whereby the parties are now arguing with each other all the time, they're always involved in acrimony, they're no longer amicable and civil as they used to be while as they were together as husband and wife, as partners, lovers, friends, whatever the case may be. Once that is out of the window and the parties are losing respect for each other, the challenge which we as lawyers and third parties who are there to assist parties in resolving the issues have is that the door, or that one specific door that you could always use in order to resolve issues, are no longer there. That is the respect the parties have for each other. I can use a simple example. If there's a meeting taking place, there's a chairperson, and there are parties to the meeting, and the meeting follows a certain procedure. When one person speaks, the other person listens, and so on. You can object if you want to, but in a very nice and proper way. However, if people start shouting at each other, they start disrespecting the chairperson starts disrespecting the participants of the meeting. What happens then? They lost respect for each other. It is virtually, not I would say impossible, but it will be extremely hard for the parties to move forward in a constructive and a workable manner. It's very hard. Therefore, the question which I am posing again, does child custody matters need to be a fight? My answer to that is simple: no, it does not have to be a fight. It has to be understandable. There needs to be understanding. The parties need to be able to be in a position to listen and ponder upon what the other party is saying, where they're coming from, where are they going to, and with the hope that the other party will understand where you're coming from and where you're going to. However, if the parties are entering into the specific arena, into this ecosystem, with the intention of battling and fighting and showing the other party a thing or two, 9 out of 10 times, the matter will not be resolved in an amicable manner. And what does it mean? It means that you have to get lawyers on board. You might not get what you are entitled to. Justice might be delayed. For argument's sake, let's say you are the father and you'd like to have contact with the child on a certain date because you took this antagonistic approach in dealing with your specific problem. The other party might be very hard-headed, make life very hard for you, causing you to incur more fees, causing you to pay lawyers a lot of money in order for them to fight your battles for you. And at the same time, should this matter come to a court, to a tribunal, the magistrate's court, the children's court, whatever the case may be, and they see these issues before them, that father and mother are very toxic with each other. In other words, whenever the mother and the father are in the same room together, They start arguing, they start fighting. And that might have an adverse effect upon which order or what type of order the court may make in the specific child custody matter. So in short, that's what this video is all about today. That child custody matters need to be a fight? The answer is no, it does not have to be a fight. It is advisable if it is not a fight. In that specific way, you will get the best possible results in a matter. I hope it assists you, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.